This session is designed to dissolve the hidden belief that you are not worthy of money, abundance, ease, or financial support. Money worthiness is not about arrogance or entitlement. It's about whether your nervous system and identity allow you to receive without self-rejection. For many people, the moment money starts increasing, an old identity activates. I don't deserve this. I'm not good enough. I'm behind. Other people deserve it more. Or if I have more, people will judge me. These beliefs don't just live in the mind, they live in the body as tightness, anxiety, guilt, hesitation, and self-sabotage. This session helps you release the emotional charge around receiving, and it retrains the subconscious to accept abundance as safe, natural, and allowed. We are not trying to force confidence or fake positivity. We are gently clearing the internal resistance that blocks receiving. As worthiness expands, money stops feeling like something you have to chase, prove, or earn through suffering, and starts feeling like something you can hold with peace, integrity, and stability. The deeper goal here is not just to get money, but to become the version of you who can receive more without shrinking, apologizing, or pushing it away. Before we begin tapping, place your feet on the floor and relax your shoulders and body. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, breathe in and release. One more breath in and let it go. Now bring to the mind the idea of receiving money easily. Not later, not after proving yourself, but now. Notice what your body does. If you feel tightness, guilt, doubt, or resistance, that's exactly what we're here to clear. You don't need to fight it, just notice it, and let's begin. Start with the karate chop point and repeat after me. Even though part of me feels unworthy of having more money, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I've carried doubts about whether I deserve abundance, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though my past has trained me to question my worth, I choose to start feeling safe receiving now. Now let's move to the eyebrow point. This feeling of not being worthy. Side of the eye, like money is for other people. Under eye, like I have to earn it through struggle. Under nose, like I'm not enough yet. Chin, this heaviness in my self-worth. Collarbone, this old story that I don't deserve more. Underarm, this fear of being seen with more. Top of head, all this money, worthiness, pain. Now back to the eyebrow. Maybe I learned this a long time ago. Side of eye, from family, society, pressure, comparison. Under eye, maybe I made it mean I'm not good enough. Under nose, maybe I linked money to proving myself. Chin, and it's exhausting carrying that. Collarbone, I'm ready to release this burden. Underarm, I don't need to punish myself to receive. Top of head, I can be a good person and have money. Now, eyebrow again. I release the belief that I'm not deserving. Side of I release the guilt around receiving. Under I release the fear of judgment and criticism. Under nose, I release the need to earn love through struggle. Chin, I release the identity of being not enough. Collarbone, I choose to respect myself now. Underarm, I choose to allow abundance without shame. Top of head, I am worthy of financial support and ease. Eyebrow, I'm allowed to receive more. Side of eye, it is safe for me to have money. Under eye, money can come in without stress. Under nose, I don't need to suffer to deserve. Chin, I can receive with peace and integrity. Collarbone, I honor myself by allowing abundance. Underarm, I am becoming someone who holds wealth calmly. Top of head, I am worthy, I am ready, I allow it. Now relax your hands, close your eyes again, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Again, breathe in and release. One more breath in and let it go. Imagine abundance sitting in your life like something calm and normal. Not a shock, not a threat, not a debate. Feel the version of you who receives without shrinking. Let your body learn that worthiness is not something you earn. It's something you allow. When you feel complete, gently open your eyes.